How to download YouTube video to gallery without any app. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So before starting, let me tell you that the video will be downloaded in your YouTube gallery and you will be able to watch it offline but not in your phone gallery. But still, if you download it, you will be able to watch it offline. So let's begin. First, launch your YouTube application and then select the video or choose the video that you want to download. Let's say this is the video that you want to download. Then all you have to do is tap on the three dot and then you will see an option of download video. Simply tap on it. Then you will get the option of choosing your video quality and select it and tap on done. Now, when I turn off my internet, if the video is downloaded, it will be in this download section and it will be ready even when you are offline. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.